What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna take you on a tour through my spice cabinet. It's a little bit of a wreck, so don't be up in here judging, but we're gonna see what we have and give you some tips about some things that maybe you could buy to add to your cabinet as you go along your cooking journey. Okay, so first I got this rack right here because I don't have enough space on the inside. It's kind of shallow. It's not that bad, but I've got like canisters with my pancake mix in there, some masala for some Indian dishes, and cocoa powder. I've got things stacked on top, but it really is kind of a wreck. So what I did was I bought one of those kind of like a little catch-all basket from Ross for like $6 or something, and this is it. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to pay for it when I get ready to leave here one of these days. And really, that is a lot of space that was added to this pretty decent sized cabinet here. Let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, there's my pancake mix, my masala, my medication, of course, for controlling my major depressive disorder, but my spice rack, y'all, it's crazy. It's crazy. I love experimenting with different spices and flavors. You can see there I've got those orange bitters there. That's really good in like cocktails and stuff. Or if you're making like pound cakes and stuff, which I don't do, but you just never know. They're just some things that you need to have in your cabinet. Okay, so let's start with our little Ross basket cabinet here and see what we got. Tarragon leaves, and I get these from the fresh market. Tarragon, it's one of those herbs that it's earthy and almost kind of minty, but I like keeping it around. Sometimes I put it in soups and stews. Sometimes I just like sprinkle it as a garnish, but I love having tarragon leaves around. Ooh, ground coriander. Love coriander in, yes, in Greek dishes. It's great when you add it, especially to oregano. When you add your coriander with your oregano and your dill, as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, coriander. All right, I got my dill weed. All right, I'm not a fan of a whole lot of dill, but when I do Greek recipes, especially that kebab, or anything like a kebab or something I'm going to put on the grill, I do the dill weed, the coriander, and the, where's my oregano? It's somewhere in there. Trust me. Here it is. And my oregano. Yeah. I've got coriander powder. See, this is why you need to go through your cabinet. I've got coriander powder here already. And it was hiding in the back of my cabinet there. And I bought it because I thought I didn't have it. Anyway, coriander powder. Gosh, you're helping me. I've got cardamom, which I also like to add. And cardamom is like, little seeds like. But, again, one of those aromatics that you put it in something and you can taste it floating throughout. I just cracked the seeds open. They've got little, I guess I can show you one if it'll open. And if you put it in a like a soup or a stew, then look out for them, otherwise it'll get on your nerve because the shell is kind of stringy. But anyway, see the little seeds? Look like little BB pellets. Yeah, that's your cardamom. Okay. Cumin, yes. If you're seasoning a chicken or something like that, add a little bit of cumin. It really does make a difference. It's a spice powder. There's a 7 spice, there's a 12 spice, there's, you name it. As many as you can name. But, like, some of the ingredients in here, let's see. Okay, of course you've got your star anise, you've got the fennel and clove, and I like using these spice powders. I think this is the 7. I think it's 7. I can't remember, and I can't read it. I can't read it. Use it to season your duck. Oh, I add it with my seasonings for my duck, and I just rub it all in there and under the skin. Oh, it makes a delicious roast duck. So, yeah, always keeping some of this 7 or 12 spice powder around. Oh, here's my 5 spice powder. See? They come with different things. Like this one, I think this one also has like a star anise in it. And star anise is very, you know it when you taste it. Okay, it has a very distinctive flavor, star anise. And this one has the fennel, star anise, because that's pretty standard. Ginger, licorice root, cinnamon. Okay, this is also nice. If you didn't have the spices more than that, the 5 spice powder is also good for like poultry, especially big meats like duck. I also like to keep some ground ginger. Yeah, I like ground ginger. And this is in powder form, but you know, I also do the spread form that you can get. And yes, sometimes I go through it fast, so I keep it in the cabinet. You could also keep it in the fridge. I have some basil paste as well. And sometimes I keep it out because when I'm seasoning, I tend to use it, you know, throughout the week, and it goes pretty fast for me. If you don't think you're going to use it fast after you open it, make sure you put it in the fridge. Okay, I think that completes our journey for a trip through my spice cabinet. Now that I've taken you through there, I know I got some organizing to do. I'll take care of that, but I just want to thank you so much for tuning in, for hanging out with me, and supporting the Sugar Pearls brand. Hope to see you soon. Bye.